right, we have a quick exponential regression question here. We have some XY data, and we're told to use regression to find an exponential equation that best fits the data in the form a times b to the x, so standard exponential form. So I have a Desmos calculator window open here, and the first thing I want to do is import my XY data into the Desmos calculator. The easiest way to do this is usually going to be to copy and paste. So I'm going to select the data in my table. I don't select the header rows, just the numerical data. And then I'm going to copy that to my clipboard. I'm using Control C to put that in my clipboard. Go over here into a line in the Desmos graph, and I'm going to Control V. And so that puts my data right there in the graph. You can also type the data manually if you need to or you prefer that. You can just insert a table in the graph using the add item table function in Desmos, but generally the copy and paste is going to work just fine. So now I have the data over here in my graph. And notice that I can see the scatter plot over here. I'm just going to turn off the grid. Okay, so I can see the scatter plot. This is my data. You can see that it looks like it follows an exponential pattern. If for some reason my window gets moved, I can just click on this zoom fit to get back to sort of the best fit for the data. So I'm going to go up here to the regression icon where it says add regression. When I hover over that, I'm going to click on that. Now, that's going to default to the linear regression model, which is not what I want here. I want an exponential regression model. So I'm going to click on the drop-down menu, and you can see a lot of choices here. I'm going to pick exponential regression. And then very important to remember that you should always toggle the log mode. So I want to use log mode in this question, and this now gives me my regression equation right here. You can see y equals 525.66231. That's the coefficient A that we're looking for here, times 1.55776 to the x. So that gives me the base B. I'm just going to type this into my OpenMath answer box, following the rounding directions to round to 2 decimal places. And that's how you do an exponential regression on Desmos.